invincible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day.
We are having Phidias Thursday today, trading the Phidias account. So look at the markets overnight. Big dip, and we're trying to recover. Big range. 57.72 was the high on ES. All the way down to 57.26. It's about 25, I'm sorry, 50 points in range. Just under 50 points in range. Math not mathing this morning. Yeah, about 46. There we go. You can see it's about midway back up. And Q. 977 all the way down there. 852. About 125 points there. I believe. No, I'm wrong. 20,068. I thought it looked bigger than that. That's what she said. Over 200 points in range as it tries to work its way back up. Kappa. About 180 ticks of range there toward the bottom. Ultra Bond. Not looking real healthy this morning. About half a point in range, a little more. Gold. Big dump overnight. All metals took a big dump, I think. About 21 points in range. Crude oil. Big fall there in the overnight. Trying to recover from that. 130 points in range. Ticks. 130 points. That would really be something. 130 ticks. Natural gas making that same kind of move. Bitcoin's back down to just above 60K. So that's what we sit stand there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. We are trading the Phidias account on Quant Tower. So I need to make sure my QT works. Let me see. Oh, okay. QT is not working. Okay, give me a minute. We'll have to fix that. Forgot to check on the Quant Tower. Yeah. There we go. Now we'll put that there, and when we enter a trade, we'll bring that up. Missed that short there. That was a nice little short. Okay, got the stream set up on my phone. And Q continues to move down here a bit. It got up to 982. Looks like it wanted to reclaim 20,000, and it may still. We'll have a pullback here right now. News this morning, of course, we have our jobless claims like we have every Thursday, with the exception of Thanksgiving. Jobless claims, and then at 9:45 U.S. S&P Services PMI final, composite PMI, all the PMIs. At 10 o'clock, more PMIs and U.S. factory orders. 10:40 have two Fed speakers, Bostic and Kashkari. Full candle bounce here. Do we trust it? I don't trust it right now. I need to change that Flexytrade banner. Flexytrade is supposed to be 50% off. Although my coupon code, I'm pretty sure, still says 90. Let me look at it again. Yeah, they haven't changed my coupon code yet. Morning, Rad. How are you today? And down. I'm glad I didn't trust that balloon. I'm doing good, Rad. Doing good. Was a fake out trying to move further down here. Yeah, I was thinking about taking that short, but I decided not to. Regret that now. Back down to 9. Got down to 957, hanging around 960. Not doing much right now. Probably nothing until after the news, but we'll see. Now it's popping back up a little. Morning, Burrell. How are you? That was a nice pop off that blue, unfortunately. So the big news of the day is Fast Track Trading now has a credit card option. The downside to that is they only are doing a 10% discount on credit cards. Sitting at 19,968. Bro, has your bot taken any trades lately with all the moves to the downside recently? That's correct, Brad. I need to do a video on that. So far, I think the only instructional video on how to use Wise with credit cards and all that has been from Kellyanne, which is how I learned. But we don't want to promote Kellyanne, so. Oh, blue candle here. Do I want it? What's your thoughts, guys? Yay or nay? Decided to take it. I have a feeling it should have been a nay. What did I enter with there? One, okay. Thought. Okay, actually, I'm on mini, not micro. Let's see what it does. We're on the Phidias account today. No, Phidias. Sorry. Phidias. One day I'll get that right all the time. Still trying to rise up. Stuck here at around 975. Moving my stop up to the bottom of that candle right before that last blue candle. Is kind of getting up. They got this candle got to 977. This one over here got to 982. I love 982. I'm in at 973. About 12 minutes till news. Hey, Platt, good morning to you. There's a rise. Boom. Seems to be struggling there at 981, 982. We're going to take it off. There we go. First win of the morning. .6 points. News today, we have jobless claims coming up in 10 minutes. And then after that, jobless claims in 10 minutes. At 9:45, U.S. S&P Services PMI final, and at 10 o'clock, U.S. ISM Services PMI and U.S. factory orders. Jobless claims is the one coming up in 10 minutes or so. Got out of there at the right time. There we go. Pull back. Still struggling with the code, Burrell? Pulls back. Kellyanne's in my Discord. This pulls back. I gotta start taking these red candles after these green lines. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is why I don't code, bro. Problems with the car? That was a nice move down. So let me show you again. This weekend, I'm going to finally get stats on this. And I think it's going to be, honestly, 75% or better. Let's go back here. What I'm looking for is one of these green bars, or whatever you want to call them. And then preferably a reversal candle that's touching or coming out of the bands. So you see how it worked there, and now here. So this one is 3 in a row. This one wasn't valid because it didn't touch a band afterwards. Here, it came down, and you can see how this one, this was a very small candle, and then it'd be a quarter point. So I probably wouldn't have taken that. But you see how this one was perfect for this move up. Oh, okay. I'm glad to hear it's optional, something optional, not like something broke. 5 minutes till noon, less than 5 minutes till news. Nice bounce there. Sitting here at 971. Prepare for news. Hey, Chris. Good morning. News, news, news. No idea which way it's going to go right now. Sometimes I could tell, but let's see. Moving down right before. Ooh, whoosh. So whipped up to 980, whipped down to 955. So we have about a 25-point range on this candle so far. Hey, Rod. Remember, we're trading the Phidias account today. Phidias is a great deal the first half of the month. 50% off everything. Off the evals and the funded setup fees. Makes them the cheapest 100K EOD in the business and like the fourth cheapest 50K. Seeing Rad Poker typing in the Discord, hey, don't troll Kellyanne. Oh, look at that pop. Trying to hit 20,000. What's our high? Oh, yeah, high is way above. I didn't trust this blue candle because it was a news candle. You can see it's working. Work, 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 work. My cat's yelling at me. I saw. Thank you, Red. Good morning, John. Congratulations on advancing to the next round. Short. Whoa, look at that. It bounced that quick, though. Come on. Give me. There we go. There we go. Come on. Oh, yeah. Out there. 10 points. We're up 3:15 in the morning, and it's only 8:34 Eastern, 7:34 my time. Oh, I should have held. That's still falling. Wow. But I'll take 10 points. I'm not usually up this much at this time in the morning. Really wish I had held that longer, but that's okay. That was a 30-pointer at least. I can't believe, John, that the Oreos also got eliminated. Bounce here. Shohei Ohtani has an issue with that statement, John. Yeah, but 50-50, John. I mean, but I agree. I mean, I think it's hard to distinguish who's best between Ohtani, Witt, and Judge. So we're banging our head on that 100 EMA right now. That Dodgers-Padres series should be darn good. Still waiting to see who the Phillies play, whether it's the Brewers or the Mets. Good morning, Speed Racer. How are you? I think the Brewers, honestly. Mets played the Phillies tough there in September. Still falling. So we got really close to 20,000, and now we're about 70, 60 points down from there. Just have hatred for the Dodgers, Speed Racer? Long, but right into those EMAs, so I might cut this quick. Go, go, go. It's hitting both EMAs. I'm out. I'm not gonna play with it there. I got $5, which was that's one tick, but probably was about break even after commissions. We'll see. Ah, okay, I got you. Because I knew you're in up there in New England, right? Yeah, I should have stayed in. Look at that. Do I want to get back in on this blue candle? See, that was me not trusting myself, and it cost me a decent win there. Nice, John. Very nice. There you go. Said you've been wanting to size up. Morning, JC. How is your day going up there in Wisconsin? Nice. Excellent, John. That's good progress. Get you out of that job yet? Just entwined in these EMAs right now. Yep, I was gonna say I think I've heard that for 23 and 24 too, John. But I understand that. I'm not like you know not criticizing in any way. I realize how hard of a decision that is and how it can mess with your mental game and all that. So don't think I'm taking that as saying that as critical. tighten their fills. How, JC? Interesting. Oh. Yeah, that would suck, John. Back down. No, I think that's probably, obviously in response to the bond apocalypse that's hit the futures prop world. So I take it the trip to Ohio is out there, John? Kind of meandering now again. We'll see where we go. Gold's coming down. That said, John, just once I would love to feel the energy in the stands at Citizens Bank Park during a playoff game. Yeah, there you go. Did they get a green line there? I'm not sure. Yeah. We'll see if it bounces off the bands. Heck, the last time I was at a baseball game at all was 1988, Veterans Stadium. $36 years ago? Yeah, that's right. About 5 minutes to the top of the hour. I considered taking that green candle. Decided not to. We'll see what it does. The letter he needs to give to the fans is, I'm putting the team up for sale. Yeah, I understand how you feel. I remember when the Mets were having so many issues when their owners were involved in the whole Madoff thing. I was like all happy about that. Up to the 9, so far I'm not upset that I didn't take that trade. Hey John, did you see that the Royals were like 12-1 versus the White Sox and under 500 versus the rest of the entire schedule? The White Sox are the only reason they made the playoffs. Now this blue candle I like more. If it holds. How's everybody doing so far? Anyone taking any trades besides me? 3 trades for me, up 320. John. John's taking trades. Ooh, nope, that blue candle went away and we're coming down. Look at this. Falling quick. The UV move. Oh, wow. Yeah. UB's getting a little rowdy there. CFT term, rowdy. There's the top of the hour. Let's see if we bounce. More bounce to the ounce. So far, no bounce. Still falling. I like that. Candle. Maybe. Let's see how it finishes. Finishes red. Part of me wants to take. Part of me wanted to take it. Part of me didn't. So far, the part of me that didn't is the right part. Still coming down. Still red. Blue candle. Let's see. It's got a ways to go. 50 seconds. Ever notice that the longest 1 minute is when you see your setup forming in the first 10 seconds of a candle? Or we still have news coming up today, 15 and 30 minutes after the bell. We're long off that blue candle. Not a big stop on it, about 7 point stop. Let's see if it goes. Might only target the 9. Nope. Hey, RJ. Good morning. Hey, USC, good morning. Nice to see you. Sniffing that 9. There it goes. Breaks through. Boom. Look at this. Maybe not breaks through. Taking it off there. We're now up $410 on 4 trades this morning. 4 for 4. RJ, what's your opinion on Tuesday the 15th for our all-day stream and Friday the 25th for our London stream? Thank you, Chris. Thank you, USC. Another blue candle forming. Still like it hanging on the 9 like that. Yep, and look at that. Blue candle went away. Looks like I got out at a good time there as well. Now another blue candle. Okie dokie. Oh yeah, I forgot about Katie. Canadian Thanksgiving. Long off this blue candle. Bouncing back down to my entry. Hit that 20. Dang it. Bouncing back off the 9. Sandwiched between those EMAs. Struggling with that 20 EMA. I should have got out when I was struggling there. Try to come back. Yep, it's first loss of the day. Shaved about $95 off my total. Should have got out when as soon as the candle turned purple. I got to learn to get out. All right, yeah, the 16th works, RJ. Well, welcome. Hello, Anna. How are you? Welcome to the channel. How are you doing today? I'm doing good, thanks. Why are you doing bad? What's going on? Okay, so where do you feel you're struggling? And how long have you been trading? Hanging here at 9:15. Discipline's the hardest thing. Hey, good morning, Ace. How you doing? I'm doing good. See if we bounce here. Not a convincing bounce yet. Still coming down. Or maybe it bouncing here. Don't most stores start selling that stuff in August now? I need to decorate the stream. It popped above the 9 and fell back down. So we are trading the Phidias account today. And reminder, guys, Phidias is a great sale right now. 50% off everything. I think it's the first time I've ever seen a prop do this. 50% off their evals and 50% off their funded setup fees. It makes them one of the cheapest around right now. and 50% off resets as well. I really like the people at Phidias. They seem really cool. They've worked with me a few times now in giveaways and stuff like that. So you can get that 50K account for just 27 bucks, or the 100K account for 54. And then the funded setup fees is 85. So all in, it's just over $100 for that 50K account. So check them out. The link is in the video description below. Definitely recommend. They do allow up to 20 accounts. Yes and no. They haven't banned them, but you're not allowed. You need to take. They don't allow scalping, so I think you need like 3 ticks. But I would have to look at their exact rule. They were actually the first ones to announce that they were stopping, not allowing scalping on the treasuries, way before Apex came out with it. Not really. I mean, when I think of swinging, I think of multi-day. I mean, it's yeah. They announced it like in mid-August. I want to say maybe late August, that they were not allowing 1 to 2 tick trades. So they had already gotten wind of something. But so yeah, it's like, I mean, I'm thinking it's like 3 ticks, but I would have to this have to ask support exactly. But they're not banned. You could still trade them. They do have a swing trade account, by the way, but it's not a true swing trade account because while you can hold overnight and over weekend, yeah, you have to exit for news. So it doesn't quite make a ton of sense. There's a blue candle. That's interesting. To me, big blue candle. Ooh, I'm not sure I like how big that is. That's what she said. Took the long. Let's see what happens. Minute 9:19:75. Yeah, it's pulling back on me. This is what I was afraid of with a big candle. There we go. There we go. Come on up. Seems to be struggling here around 923. There it goes. I got knocked out. Wow. I moved my stop and got knocked out, took the loss. Quick burst down. Oh, I forgot it. The 825, 925 crap. So that ended up being a loss. Not sure how much. Let me look. Darn it! I should have taken it. Yeah, about a 3-point loss. That sucked. Still up 260 on the morning. So we sit about 917. And right back down. Mind you, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, real quickly before the bell, order that like button for me. Let YouTube know you're enjoying the stream. Sitting here waiting for the bell. Bouncing here 30 seconds before the bell. Look at that. Big move up there, 15 points. the bell button. Popping up. And whooshing back down. Ace is short. We don't judge. There's no minimum height requirement here at MightyOxTrading. Ooh, big bounce there on NQ. Quite the wick on that 1 minute candle. Up to the 100 EMA. News coming up in about 12 minutes. RJ Wheel, John DeFore, are you aware that tomorrow is National Golf Lovers Day? No, it might not be National Golf Lovers Day in Canada, but even so, thought you might want to be aware of that. Up to 946. Still rising. Nice ace. Yep, it's soon time to get out the skates, right, John? opening 5-minute candle is 66 points. Purple. Still 45 seconds on it though. Okay. I know you were still playing, you had decided to play a little bit last year, I believe, even though your arm was a thing. Purple candle, but more wick than body, so I didn't trust it. Let's see if that was a mistake. Y'all should figure out how to do golf on skates. NQ struggling here, but trying to get back up to 20,000 again. Gold's been rising up nicely. Taking the short here. Oh, yeah. Up hits that 9 and bounces. Hits the 9 again and bounces. Third time's the charm. Maybe. Nope, it hits the 9 again and bounces. Going for a fourth time. Maybe I should be smart enough to get out. Still not smart enough to get out. Hits the 9 again and bounces. There's the break. Boom. Out there, 10 points. Looks like that was a good. Wow, look at that bounce. It's actually more than 10 points. It was 11 points. Ace. Oh, you're out. Okay. How many points did you get there, Ace? If I can ask. Look at that bounce. Glad I did not hold that trade. That would have sucked. Remember, we have news coming up in less than 4 minutes. Start spreading the news. Oh, wow. Topstep welcomes Alex Faraski, X Games gold medalist and Olympic silver medalist and Topstep funded trader. We're excited to announce that Alex will be repping Topstep while chasing gold at the 2026 Olympics. And we hit 20,000 here right before the news. Still well off the high of the day, our high of the overnight, which is all the way up at 20,068. News in 20 seconds. That the news didn't knock our socks off. It's gonna be a purple candle here, but I don't know if I like it. Didn't take that purple candle. Wicks on both ends. Not interested. Not interested at all. So that news wasn't much. Let's see what happens at the top of the hour. My cat's yelling at me. Whoop. Purple candle here, breaking the 9. Big purple candle, though. Wish I had an MAQ chart up, but I don't have one ready. See how this finishes. Pops back up. We're short. Not going. There. Starts. Nope. That one was a iffy one. Yep, I think I'm going to take the 10-point. Yep, took the 10-point loss. That sucked. Now watch, I didn't put my stop at the right spot. Watch, it had not have stopped me out if I had put it at the right spot. Stop should have been at the top of that purple candle or the top of the blue candle before it. Oh, okay. Okay, good. It would have stopped me out there, so I saved myself some money there. $10 till news. Back down, trying to tempt me again. And hanging on the 9. Purple candle. We are still about 10 minutes till news. Y'all got quiet on me. It's hanging on this 9 EMA. See what everything else is doing. Gold. Yeah, that was a great trade right there. Up. Crude up. Ultravond up. Or back down. Copper really took a nosedive. Ooh, if I had a copper chart up right now. Bounce up on NQ. Look at that rise up. Back above 20,000 up to 20,014. Hits the bands, comes down. 5 minutes till our other news report of the morning. Hey, Saudi guy. If you're using a regular credit card, you need to use. They're only giving a 10% discount if you're using a regular credit card. They're not using Wise. FTT_CC for 10% off if you're going to use a regular credit card. Watching as NQ rises. I see NQ rising. Took a trade on copper on my Bulenox eval that was meant for platinum, but that whole thing ended. You see I'm up to 25 on that, 2 contracts. Struggling to get through its 20 EMA there. Yeah, may want to get out. I might struggle there. Just trying. Watching NQ as well. Got up to 20.048, pulling back a little bit. Let's watch this copper here. See if it can break through. Still trying here on copper. Sorry, I got quiet there for a second. We got to pull back there on NQ. Multiple things going on at once. Short. Oh, news. Crap. I forgot news. Did I get the short? Oh, I don't know. Now I don't know what happened there. I might have just got stopped out like right away. What the heck? No, okay, it did not take my order, thankfully. I totally forgot about the news. Did that affect copper? I can't see. Oh, okay, copper's still trying. Shot down, now moving up. Now Q's coming back down. Yeah, I have 4 funded accounts with topstep. Cat's yelling at me again. Yeah, I'm not sure. I was surprised that I got rejected on a market order on Quant Tower there on the news. I totally forgot about the news. Glad I got it. Didn't because on Topstep ended their affiliate program, so I can't promote them anymore because they no longer have an affiliate program. NQ still rising. Try to get the high day. Copper fighting here. Ooh, look at NQ. I think that is high day now. This Bulenox account's an intraday drawdown, so I'm a little hesitant to try and continue to hold this. So yeah, I'm going to get out there. And I did not take... Okay, so we can stop showing that. Then I can show Quant Tower there if there's a reason to. Stupid thing. Q still rising. So let's see. That and Q, yep, we had high day now. Oh, look at that. Perfect hit off the trigger point. Let's see if it breaks through. It goes through that resistance up to 103. Looks like I should have held copper. Darn it. Hard to hold trades on intraday drawdown. Pulls back. Still sitting here around 20,098, just under 2,100. Hello. How you doing, EG? Purple candle. Where's my quant tower? There it is. Whoa. Whole bunch of junk with it. I did fail my 1 year of Spanish, but I passed 2 years of Latin. Sitting here trying to figure out where it wants to go from 2,100. Pulls down. Hitting that resistance 0 on the way back down. Let's see if it breaks through. Or bounces. That's a nice move down. Didn't give me the signal I was hoping for, but look at that. Big move down. Wow. Did we get some sort of news? Holy crap, that was a 75-point candidate. What just happened, guys? Biden, we are discussing Israel striking Iran oil facilities. That's what just happened, guys. Bounces. I didn't trust taking the bounce. Popped up. I could have got 10 after that. I don't know. Don't like flash crashes on geopolitical news. Yep, it's regaining everything back. Rising, so it's gaining almost the entire candle back. Let's see if it comes back all the way back. That's the thing about flash crashes or flash pops from based on unexpected news is it often just recovers right away. Now, we could see an overall downtrend the rest of the day, but usually it recovers a good part of the immediate. Yep, there's a purple candle. Is it ready to come back down though? That's a good question. It's a question we ask. Let's do it. Where is my quant tower? There it is. We're short. Look at it go. Bouncing. Come on. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Nope. I'm out. Bounced on me. Only got about 8 points. Could have got 15. I got greedy, I guess. Or I could have just held. I should have held the... Okay. I gotta get better at that. Gotta get better at that. Should have just held... So far, that went down 26 points. I got 8 out of it. And it's still going. Still working it. But we're back up to being up 445 on the day. Back down. So overall, that could have been a 30-point trade, but that's okay. Or more. It's still going. One day I will hold trades, and I will profit big. I might be 80. Down at 100 EMA. I won't cry. I won't cry. How's everybody else doing out there? All ain't talking a lot. What did copper do? Eh. The copper could have got more out of it. Now it's all choppy. Oh, whoosh. That hurts. So I was in at like 46, and this is now down. Oh, man, that's a 100-point drop. That's more than a 100-point drop now in 4 minutes. Oh, there's a bounce. Sure, I trust. Well, I already missed it. I missed that bounce. That was a perfect setup too. I missed it. That's okay. Everyone's so quiet. RJ, any trades yet this morning? Remember tomorrow, non-farm payrolls. Okay, we've been trading the Phidias account today. We're up 445 on it. Phidias is a newer prop, been around there for about 6 months now. Great prices, 50% off sale right now on both the evals and the setup fees. Evals. Not sure why that came out sounding weird. Makes a 50K account just 27 bucks. And they do allow 20 accounts. Sideways, trying to see what it wants to do. We have about 30 minutes left to go. Natural gas inventory is coming up if anyone's trading NG. Look at crude popping on the Middle East news. Pulling back. Gold's not really. But I want to point out the trigger point here on gold. You know, I really like these indicators in this company. And look at this. Look at how gold's bounced off the support once, twice, 3 times. So if you waited until the first green candle after it hits the support, you could have 1 win, 2 wins. None of these are in the overnight. But look at this beauty right here. up. Taking the long there at 64, he could have rode it all the way up to 71. And purple candle here hitting the 9. That's usually a sign for me to go short. Congratulations, David. Should see your money by Christmas. Oh, and I should have taken the short. Look at that. So I'm taking more of my setups. I just need to start taking them all. I think I could be a very rich man if I did. Nice drop. Drop it down low. Let the rooster crow. And green bar there. Trying to get a move back up. Let's see. Oh, I didn't realize I stopped my quant tower thing up. I apologize, guys. So we're long on this candle. Oh, that was real quick. Where'd that go? Boom. Out. We're now up 625 on the day. I need to go check. I need to go check what their consistency rule is. I forget. Dude, I'm an idiot. I'm here going to their website to check. I make these sheets to have this on. Phidias. Oh, there's no consistency in the eval. 30% in funded. Okay. Welcome back, Ace. Look at that. I wish I had held. If I could just get myself to hold trades, my God, I would have had 100 points here, 50 points here. Here's a point. There's a point. Everywhere's a point. Oh, MightyOx had a point. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that. blue candle trying to bounce here. It's kind of an iffy area though. Iffy. Yeah, I'm not taking that. And blue candle went away there at the end anyway. Pulls back. Pulls down. See if it bounces here and comes back up. All three EMAs are sitting there. Natural gas pulled, did not like its inventories, but look at that almost perfect bounce off the trigger point. Nope, purple candle. Kind of like purple rain. Train. When I hear a train now, Ace, I actually put the mic higher up so it can catch more of it for you. And yeah, that would be an issue. For like 2 years, I lived in a place where train tracks are literally 10 feet from my front door. Purple candle, but I didn't get fooled by it. Whooshing down. I took this trade on fast track. Look at that. 3 micros. Take it off there. That was a $200 trade on 3 micros. Didn't have the same conviction to do it on the Phidias account, so I just did the fast track account. And look at that. So here, Ace. Check this out real quick. This is, if you can see where this tree is on this picture, that's about where my front door was. Back that way, and you can see where the tracks are here. That was when I lived in Reading, Pennsylvania. Pop in here, pop up here. Long. Not going, not going, not going. This is going to be a big stop if it takes me. Come on, bounce up for me. Yeah, Ace. There was a couple days I raced trains because wanted to go somewhere, and I heard the train coming, and I needed to get across the tracks. So I would kind of race the train. This was in my younger days, obviously. Not recommended. There we go. Come on back up for me. There, boom. Oh, look at that. I'm out. That was a 600 and some odd dollar trade. I'm up $1,250 on this Phidias account. Let me see what that trade was exactly. And I got out early. When I start seeing 600, I tell myself to get out. I should have held to the 100 EMA, but let me get the trade log on that. Yeah, $625 trade. I was in at 948, out at 979. 31 points. 31 and a quarter points. It's like I've taken 11 trades this morning. 8 wins, 3 losses. It's still going, so I could have held for more, but still. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, USC. Have a good one, Ace. We shall see you tomorrow. Another blue candle. Do I want to try it? That's a good question, folks. Good question. 16-point candle. Seems to be struggling a bit. Nope, there it goes. Took this trade on fast track. In at 9.95, it's going 20. Seems to be struggling there though at 20, 0.20. Out. That was a $113.50 trade. That was a different fast track account. I think I'm finally starting to trust my setups. This ox is on fire. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, Dow's moving up nicely, I see. Have you had other trades today, RJ? Hey, Mr. G, how are you doing? Hey, Hassan. Oh yeah, that's you start questioning your existence when you get that first trade's a terrible one. Yeah, positive slips never happen. That's a good recovery, and I think that's a good decision there, USC. Hey, I'm Matt. Good to see you. How you doing? Yes, I'm doing the Phidias account on Quant Tower. Yes. Yeah, eggs are blowing up again in price wise. Thank you, USC. Yeah, I am really starting to trust my setups now, and that's always been my problem, trusting the setups. And then I would see and then I'll miss, not trust the setups, and then I'll see setups that weren't there because I didn't trust the original one. I I prefer TradingView for charting for any over anything. But I use the various platforms just to enter and exit trades. My charting and my indicators are all on TradingView. Um, there's still intraday drawdown with on the straight to funded. So I think Tradeify, uh, Tradeify is probably your best option. But you don't like Tradeify. Wait, no, that has Ninja. That has a Quad Tower. Uh, Flexi has intraday drawdown. 40% off with code MightyOx. Have a good day, USC. I'll get you the direct link here in a minute, I meant. There you go, Imad. That's for Tradeify. Hey, we're coming back down. Down. Little bounce. Oh, have a good day, RJ. Glad you finished green. Have a great golf game today. Oh yeah, I definitely agree on that. I wish they would increase the amount of accounts you can have. So oh, I didn't realize what time it was, guys. It's time to end the stream. Wow, we've been having so much fun. I lost track of time. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We're ending up on the Phidias account, $1,250. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow for some non-farm payrolls fun. Bye.